Yeah, that's
Yeah.
awesome. Okay, congratulations.
Thank you. I want to make money from English.
Yeah, like me. Yes,
Yeah.
but no, your level is good enough. You'll definitely be able to teach the kids. Hi, Ahmed.
Hi, Stella. Lovely morning.
Yeah, good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing great. It's cold in South Africa, so yeah, I'm staying inside.
Really? But a couple minutes ago, I have finished a class with the South African girl,
Yeah.
and I saw her. She was wearing like uh, a t-shirt.
Oh, so she
Ye-
was in short sleeves.
Yeah,
She's
short
brave
sleeves.
because it's quite cold. Maybe she's in
Oh,
a different area. Do you know if she lives in the Western Cape?
she lives in Cape Town.
Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, then she's just a very brave person because it's quite cold.
Oh, yeah. Here in Iraq, it's the weather. It's very hot and it's full of sandstorms.
Oh no, that doesn't
Y-
sound nice.
Yeah, it's annoying actually. Something has changed into your face. I don't know.
Yeah, my hair is darker. I dyed it darker for a winter color, but it's a bit too dark,
Oh,
so I'm going
yeah.
blonde again.
I used to see you
Good
in a
observation.
blonde. In
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I need
Also,
to change my profile pic because I think it's confusing if I look different than my profile pic.
not totally different. Okay,
Okay, that
but
still suits me.
different in a good way. Okay.
Oh, thank you. That's a good
Yeah.
thing, I suppose.
Uh,
Yeah.
Also, this is the first time that I see you wearing black black shirt.
Oh, yes, and it's a polo neck. So it's kind of like I
Yeah,
call it a choker because it chokes me a little bit.
but you know what? Black color suits you very well.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you
It's
look
very
elegant.
formal. Thank you very much. You also
Yeah,
look very elegant in your black shirt. Although
yeah,
with the cat logo, it does make it a little bit more informal.
yeah. People when they see me, they keep saying like, "Are you a a bodybuilder?" And I said,
Oh,
"No, I'm a
well,
lazy
that's a
person,
compliment, right?
guys." But they don't see the downside of me. I
Oh,
have a
okay, they
bit.
see your upper body.
Yeah, they see my wide shoulders, so they figure out that I am a bodybuilder. But actually, I have a big belly.
Ah, okay, well, you can't see it, and you're wearing black, so that's a good. It's a slimming color.
Exactly.
Oh,
Yeah. So that's
cheers.
why I
What are you
prefer.
drinking?
Yeah, I'm drinking just water because I
Yeah,
woke
me
up
too.
30 minutes ago.
Yeah, I have some water and some coffee, so I'm sorted. Yeah,
Oh
but
wow.
how have you been? I haven't spoken to you in a while, so any news, anything happening in your life? What's
Oh,
up?
so many things have happened to me actually. Some of
Yeah?
them bad, some of them good. It starts with the good news.
Okay, yeah, the good news.
Yeah,
That's a good place
uh,
to
I s-
start.
exactly. Yeah, I will start teaching English in my neighborhood. I'm gonna give you private lessons to
Wow.
elementary schools
Oh, that's
students.
great. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
awesome. Okay,
I,
congratulations.
thank you. I want to make money from English.
Yeah, like me. Yes, but
Yeah,
no, your level is good enough. You'll definitely be able to teach the kids
actually,
and even adults probably.
I taught three kids, and they passed the exam perfectly, and
Nice.
they got high degree, high
That's great.
grade, yeah,
Okay.
and which is like this has actually encouraged me to do more progress in English, and you know me, I'm kind of like an influencer in my community here in
Yeah.
Iraq. So because I post my videos, and people
Hmm.
keep asking me, would you mind if you give us like a private lessons, online lessons?
Oh, wow.
At
Okay.
least we want to try to speak in English, just like you, man.
Hmm.
I told him, yeah, but let me prepare myself to this because I'm not familiar with teaching online and all these, you know. I'm pretty sure you have like on your laptop so many things that
Yes, so many
you
resources, and I've got a lot of
resources.
tabs open as well.
Exactly, yeah. So
Yeah,
whenever someone asks you something, here we go, right?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm
It's a good
I,
option because sometimes when you have to think of something in the moment, then you mess it up. So it's good to have the references around you.
exactly. And you know, when you get new students, you want to start with them like a conversation, and
Yeah,
you are mastering the conversation, because the student it's a little bit shy
yeah.
and not talkative, so you are the one who starts to ask questions, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so
And keep
I
the
got
conversation going, right?
go, yeah, so
Yeah.
I got these tricks, like I got websites from Google, okay, about start conversations and asking the questions. You
Mm-hmm.
know, it's a huge amount of questions, you know.
Yeah, yeah. And
For
once you get
example,
to know your students, then it gets easier because then you can ask them about previous lessons and about their
yeah,
life. So once you get to that point, it's easy to have a conversation.
exactly, yeah. For example, if my students, if for example, the situation with you and with me, for
Mm-hmm.
example, you know me very well, and you
Mm-hmm.
know my English level, and so you just keep going and keep speaking about the certain situations that happen to you or to me, for example.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we
Yeah.
can keep the conversation going quite easily.
Exactly. Yeah, I like the first three sessions for the students. It's a little bit hard.
Yeah, it's challenging. And it's also formal. So you have to keep things formal until you feel comfortable with the student or the student feels comfortable with you. And then
Yeah,
you kind of see at which level you're able to have a conversation.
and sometimes you know when someone doesn't get the idea, I'm pretty sure you read their minds from their face expression,
Oh
right?
yes, you have to do that a lot. You have to like say, "Is this what you mean?" And then they would say something and it wouldn't make sense at all, but then you go with the closest meaning. So yeah, you'll probably be doing that a lot.
I did that a lot 3 years ago with my tutors. My tutor asked me about something, and
Yeah.
I answered them with something that far away from our topic.
Yes. But at least you tried, right? Yeah. Yeah, you have to try. I mean, it's a new
Yeah, yeah.
language, so yeah. It's better than just sitting there and like not saying anything at all. That's the most awkward lessons ever. If you get a student and they don't talk. So it's a bit
Y-
it gets weird.
Yeah, I like your perspective. Like
Yeah.
at least you try to speak. You try to speak. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the only way you learn.
But yeah, better than like keep silence.
Yeah. Well, congratulations for going into teaching. That's a great step.
Yeah.
So that's the good news. What's the bad news?